Hello, good people, programmers out there. My name is McQuilton. I'm here to um, with a tutorial on how to create a password generator using Python language. I'm gonna take as little time as possible, and so the first thing we're gonna do is to have to import the random package, which is generally used to create random passwords, random figures, hash figures, and all that stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is to create. We're going to be using our password is going to be using different items like a password here. This is it has all these that you see items here, caps, symbols, numbers, and all that stuff. So what we basically need to do is to capture those in different variables. So the first thing we're going to do is to have the upper caps captured in their own variable called upper caps. Okay, called upper caps. So I'm going to do copy and paste so that it becomes a bit faster here, so that we don't spend a lot of time doing this. And then the second thing is lower caps. Okay, and there we are first. And then thirdly, we're gonna have the numbers variable. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, and lastly we're gonna have the symbols. Okay, the symbols you know, the symbols, you can get them from your keyboard when you press shift 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. You can get some random symbols from there. And then now we're gonna have one variable that contains all these, and we're gonna call that all items variable. Okay, so it's gonna have upper caps, lower caps. No, here we're supposed to put a plus. We're gonna put them all in one huge variable. Okay, then we're gonna have numbers here, and then we're gonna have lastly symbols. Okay, and so now we have them all in one huge variable. If we're gonna say print here and say all items, let's see, all those are contained in one huge variable. But then what we basically want here is that we want to create a password with maybe 14, just to pick randomly from that all items variable, just to pick randomly things that we want to create our password. So we're gonna say now we're creating our password, our variable password, and then we're gonna put these two space, and then we say join. So we want to join all the items, and so we say random, using the random package that we use with the sample. And now this random sample method that we're going to use to randomly pick the items that we want is going to be contains two parameters. So in our two parameters, we're going to put the variable all items, and as well the number of items that we want to create our password, which is basically 16 here. Okay, and then we say print. Our code is almost done. Your password is, okay, comma, password. So let's print and see what we have here. You see, our password has been generated. So you can change the number here to say maybe 4. Of course, you have a very poor password that anyone can guess. You see, random password. You can put in 64 if you want. 64 can be that long. See, very long password. Or you can have 32. See, and there is a password with 32 items. So that's basically the lesson. You can expand your code as much as you want. For example, we can capture some user input and say maybe they want their password to be 17 items long, or they just want 13 items long or 9 items long. We can capture some user input and say user input in a variable. We'll put it in a variable here. User inputs, we want to capture, by default Python captures strings, so we have to then convert the string into an integer. So you say int input, then it's automatically converted into an integer. Then you say enter a number. Okay, and so here on the 2 parameters, instead of putting a number, we're now saying user input. So that will be the length of our password. So the length of our password is 9. Okay, you can change it to 23. Okay, so basically that's the tutorial. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.